Are you a beauty professional? You could be missing out on thousands of dollars in income annually by not doing this simple thing. But be warned, this isn't for the faint of heart. This is for the seasoned, well-practiced beauty pro. Hi, I'm Ashley. In this video, I'm going to reveal industry secrets that experts charge a lot of money for, but I'm going to do it completely free. I'm going to teach you exactly how to perform a lash lift and brow lamination at the same time. Not only will offering this combo service save you around 30 minutes of treatment time, but it will also allow you to fit more clients into your day. And as we all know, more clients equals more money. If you're ready to level up your skills and maximize your income, keep watching. Here's exactly how to perform a lash lift and brow lamination at the same time using InLei's premium products. Number 1, you're going to start with the lashes. You'll want to perfectly wrap the lashes onto the shield as the beginning step. Of course, after prepping both lashes and brows first. Apply Form 1 to the lashes and then set 2 timers, 1 for each eye. Next, you're going to move on to the brows. So step 2, while the lashes are processing, apply brow lift 1 to the brows. Set 2 additional timers, 1 for each brow. Be vigilant with timing and check whether their hair has fully relaxed for perfect optimal results before doing step 3, which is applying step 2. After the first steps are done processing, switch to step 2, which is fix 2 and lock 2 for both the lashes and brows. If needed, apply Mr. Fix to the brows before application. Now on to our next step. Number 4 is tinting. Tint lashes and brows simultaneously, but remember, the tint will not go on the lashes and brows for the same time. Knowing how to assess hair porosity and adjust timings is crucial. This information is fully covered in our courses. And now number 5, the magic of filler 3. Take your time penetrating filler 3 into the hair from the root all the way to the tip, massaging it into those lashes. Once you're done applying filler 3, you're going to wash with our Mousse Magica and then finish your lash lift off. Then we go on to number 5 and we're going to sculpt and wax the brows. You can move on to sculpting and waxing once you're done the lash lift. Important, never ever wax before a lamination. Doing so can cause redness and inflammation and even scabbing. That's why we put Lady Shield on before we wax or step 1. Again, more in courses. Next, step 6, we're going to nourish the brows using our Brow Bomber 3 Brow Bomber butter and then our Molecular 4 for the lashes. Here are our best tips, and we have never said these online. Number 1, set 4 timers, 1 for each eye and 1 for each brow. This keeps you on track and ensures perfect processing times. 2, stay organized with your trolley. Have your trolley fully prepped and ready before your client arrives. And then number 3, prioritize the consultation. A thorough consultation is key. Assess your client's lashes and brows to determine their porosity, thickness, and structure. This will help you set accurate timers and avoid overprocessing, which can happen if you get distracted doing multiple things at once. Number 4, practice makes perfect, of course. The more combo services you perform, the faster and more confident you'll become. Our pros typically complete this treatment in 90 minutes, but efficiency improves with experience. Would you try a lash and brow combo treatment? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more tips, tricks, and tools to grow your beauty business. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.